Here we have the Samsung digital inverter washing machine. To operate with it, make sure the wall switch is on. Then you should open the door, load your clothes, and close the door until you hear a click. You can then load the detergent here. Here for normal detergent, for pre-washing, and here for the softener. You can then turn on the washing machine on this button. You can choose which mode to operate with by rotating the knob. You can check the time it will take here, and you can change the temperature and the spin. Once you're done, you can press play and the washing machine will start. You can also note there's options to dry.